Are you ready to elevate your career with a management degree that combines academic excellence, industry exposure, and global learning? Welcome to Doon Business School DBS in Dehradun, a premier institution nestled in the serene foothills of the Himalayas, offering a transformative MBA program designed to shape future business leaders. The MBA program at DBS is a 2-year, full-time course approved by UGC. Structured over 4 semesters, the program commences in July-August each year, with students undertaking a 2-month summer internship after their 2nd semester. Students can specialize in areas such as marketing, finance, human resource management, international business, agribusiness, business analytics, logistics and supply chain, digital transformation, media and creative communication, and luxury and fashion management. The curriculum is further enriched with subjects like big data analytics, SAP ERP, strategic digital marketing, financial modeling, AI and ML, social media marketing, startup management, and international law. To enhance employability, DBS integrates 12+ industry-recognized certifications into the MBA program, including SAP, University Alliance Partner, Digital Marketing, Business Analytics, Data Science, Six Sigma, Power BI, Alteryx, and NSE certifications. These are delivered in collaboration with top corporate partners such as IBM, SAP, KPMG, EY, and HCL. Students also receive global exposure through the Global Immersion program, offering educational tours to Singapore, Malaysia, Hong Kong, Dubai, Indonesia, and Turkey, as well as academic collaborations with institutions in Canada, Australia, Europe, New Zealand, and Russia. DBS offers short-term and long-term international study programs ranging from 1 week to 2 years. The faculty at DBS includes professors from premier institutions like IIMs, FMS, XLRI, and international universities including Griffith University, Johns Hopkins University, and Guildford College, USA. The institute also offers classroom sessions delivered by international and corporate faculty, making the experience globally aligned. One of the unique academic advantages at DBS is the SAP Global Certification, where students majoring in finance, marketing, HR, or logistics get trained and certified across modules such as SAP MM, SD, FICO, FICO, SCM, SuccessFactors, and SAP ERP Sim. There's also an exclusive SAS-based MBA track, where students receive global certification in analytics, AI, and ML through SAS programming and via cloud. Placements at DBS are robust and consistent. The highest domestic package has reached up to 24 lakh rupees per annum, with the top 20% of students averaging 11.6 LPA and the overall average package for the top 80% being 8.15 LPA. More than 250 companies visit the campus annually for recruitment. Some of the top recruiters include Amazon, HDFC Bank, Deloitte, EY, Decathlon, British Petroleum, ICICI Bank, ITC, DBS Bank Singapore, Axis Bank, and many more. DBS also has a dedicated cell for corporate training, profile building, and interview preparation. Students benefit from a vibrant campus life, with 22+ student clubs, access to residential facilities, 2 boys' residences, 4 girls' residences, and day boarding options, well-maintained sports complexes, and fully furnished hostels with 24/7 medical support. The university encourages entrepreneurial incubation and startup ideas while on campus. The MBA fee is 7.5 to 10 lakhs, depending upon course selection and program module. DBS offers generous scholarships based on academic performance, CAT, MAT, GZAT scores, and special categories like Uttarakhand domicile, wards of defense personnel, single mothers, and teachers. Admissions are based on a combination of entrance exam scores, CAT, MAT, GZAT, CMAT, ATMA, GMAT, UGC, academic background, and personal interviews. Coaching support for GMAT, CAT, IAS, and PCS is also available on campus for students aiming for future competitive exams. So, if you're seeking a business school that offers a blend of academic rigor, practical learning, future-ready skills, and international exposure, Doon Business School is your destination. Application fee is 1000 rupees. Discount coupons are available for Doon Business School. You just need to connect with us on the number below to get your personalized coupon code. Call us today to learn more about the admission process, scholarships, and how Advise Brother can assist you in making the right college decision. For more such videos, subscribe to Advise Brother and follow us on Instagram.